wish you all a blessed Idulada. May you find internal peace and joy today and always. Wish you all a magical Eid-ul-adha full of Allah's divine blessing. Do keep me in your prayers. Wishing you and your loved ones a blessed and joyous Eid-ul-adha. May this auspicious occasion bring you abundant blessings, happiness and prosperity. Eid-ul-adha Mubarak. Wishing you a happy and blessed Eid-ul-adha. May Allah grant you success in all your endeavors and keep you in good health and spirits. Eid Mubarak. May this Eid-ul-adha be filled with love, happiness and good fortune for you and your family. May this Eid brings you unlimited joys. May all your wishes come true on this holy day, and may you and your family be blessed by the grace of Allah. Idulada Mubarak. Idulada Mubarak. May Allah accept all of your sacrifices and shower you with His holy blessings. May the joy of Eid surrounds you and your family, and I pray that may this Eid brings happiness, prosperity and rahmah to your door. May Allah bless you and your loved ones with good health, happiness and prosperity on this special occasion of Idulada, Eid Mubarak. Hope that you and your family are blessed with Allah's love and care on Idulada and always. Wishing all of you blessed Eid Mubarak, praying that the Almighty grants you mercy on the holy day. May the enchantment of the holy festival fill you with internal joy and your life with heavenly hues. Happy Eid. Today is a day to sacrifice not only our animals but also our egoistic actions and sinful deeds. May Allah accept our prayers. May you always be happy and blessed in your life. Wishing you a joyous and blessed Eid-ul-adha with lots of laughter, joy and good health. May Allah grant you and your family peaceful and prosperous life. Wishing you the heartiest Eid-ul-adha. On this blessed occasion of devotion and sacrifice, may bless you with all you desire for. Eid-ul-adha Mubarak. May Allah bless to light up your life and hope that it is filled with happiness, peace, joy and success. Eid spread the message of brotherhood and togetherness. May Allah bless you and bring happiness in life. Eid Mubarak. May your prayer be answered, your sacrifice be accepted and your heart be filled with the peace and joy this Eid-ul-adha. Wishing you a joyous and blessed Eid filled with love and happiness. Eid Mubarak. May this Eid bring happiness and peace to you and your family. On this blessed day of Eid, let's nourish our soul with kindness and our heart with sincerity. May the Almighty bless you and your family with His rahmah. Have lovely Eid. May Idulada, the festival of sacrifice and eternal faith in the Almighty, keep us united through love, compassion and mutual support. Happy Bakra Eid. Happy Idulada. May the Almighty bless you and your family with the blessing. Have a lovely Eid. Idulada. Happy Idulada. May all accept your sacrifice and bless you with His mercy. Wishing you and your family a joyous Eid filled with laughter, love and countless blessings. Eid Mubarak. On this joyous occasion of Eid, may Allah bless you and your dear ones with all the happiness and success in life. May your life is blessed with peace and harmony. Idulada Mubarak. Greetings friends, Happy Idulada Mubarak to all of you. May Allah shower His wonderful blessing on you and your family and generously recompense you for your noble sacrifice. Happy Idulada. May Allah's blessing be with you today, tomorrow and always. Idulada Mubarak. Wishing you and your family a cheerful and joyous Eid. Happy Idulada. Their meat will not reach Allah, nor will their blood, but what reaches Him is piety from you. Idulada Mubarak. May this blessed day bring peace, happiness and prosperity to everyone. Idulada Mubarak. May the spirit of Eid fill your heart with joy and may all your prayers be answered. Happy Idulada. May Allah accept your good deeds, forgive your transgressions and sin and erase the suffering. May Allah open the door of happiness and prosperity for you. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. On the occasion of Idulada, we wish you joy, happiness, peace and prosperity, wishing you and your family. Idulada Mubarak. May Allah bless you and your wishes come true. Idulada Mubarak. May the Almighty bless you and your family with His Rahmah. Have a lovely Eid. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. May the magic of Eid bring lots of happiness and fill your life with different colors. Have a prosperous Eid-ul-adha. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.